Hey, James here. Welcome to this tutorial on how to create your own podcast using AI tool called Podcastole AI. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of leveraging this powerful AI tool to produce high-quality podcasts for your YouTube channel, Spotify, or any other podcast platform. To get started, visit the official website of Podcastole AI. Click on the Get Started button and follow the prompts to sign up on an account. You can sign up by using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Alternatively, you can fill in the required information such as your email address and password to create a new account. Once registered, you will receive a temporary code via email to activate your account. After activating your account, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various features and options available. Fill in the required information such as your name, purpose of using Podcastole, and the type of content you plan to create. Next, click on the Continue button. This will take you to the Podcast Like a Pro page, where you have the option to subscribe and access the Pro version with additional features. If you're not ready to subscribe, click on the Skip for Now button at the top right of the page. This will take you to the left. Get Started Creating page, where you are required to choose the task you'd like to begin with. Podcastole AI offers a range of options for podcast creation. Whether you want to revoice, edit, record, post, or transcribe, select the task that suits your need. Each task has its own set of instruction and features to enhance your podcasting experience. Don't worry, you can change this later. Once you've created your first project, select the task that aligns with your current needs and preferences. Follow the instructions provided for your chosen task. For example, you can select the record option, give your podcast a title, choose the recording type, whether audio or video, and click on the Create button. Make sure to allow microphone access when prompted to start and record your podcast. You can also customize additional settings such as enabling or disabling video, providing a display name, and choosing whether to use your headphones during the recording process. Once you have set the desired configurations, click on the Join Studio button to enter the recording studio and start recording your podcast. Once you finish creating your podcast, your recording will appear on the homepage of Podcast under the Recording section. You can access and manage your recordings from this section if needed. You can further edit the audio by right-clicking on it and selecting the Show options. This will provide you with a range of editing features, including adjusting the volume, muting the sound, changing the playback speed, splitting the audio if it exceeds your desired duration, adding a new track beneath your audio, and incorporating background music. Please note that if you wish to create another audio segment, ensure that the slider is positioned beyond the end of the previous audio. It is crucial not to leave the slider in between your audio segments when creating a new one. Doing so may result in the removal of the existing audio or overwrite everything beyond the slider's position. Podcastole AI offers a selection of copyrighted music in the Music tab on the left section, which can be used as a background music. Additionally, there are various soundtracks available in the SFX section that can be used as background music as well. After editing and enhancing your podcast, take a moment to preview the episode and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the result, it's time to export your podcast. Click on the Export button. In the Export section, you'll find a range of options to manage your podcast files. Firstly, you can choose the desired format and quality of your audio and video. Select the appropriate quality settings based on your preferences and requirements. Additionally, you have the option to enable transcription and customize its settings, such as language format, either in Word or PDF, and specify the number of speakers involved in the podcast. Once you've configured your export settings, click the Export File button to initiate the download of your podcast file. Depending on the length and complexity of your podcast, it may take some time to generate the final files. Once the export is complete, your podcast file will be downloaded to your device. Additionally, you have the option to share and publish your podcast. However, before you can publish an episode, you need to create a show. Click on the Create Show button and fill in the necessary details such as the show title, description, cover page, and add categorization to help listeners discover your content more easily. You can also customize the design of your show to make it visually appealing and stand out to your own unique branding. Once you've created the show and customized it to your liking, you can proceed to publish your episode. Click on the Publish Episode button and select the episode you want to publish from the list of available recordings. To share your podcast with others, click on the Share button. You'll be provided with a unique URL that you can distribute to your audience through various platforms and channels. You can then proceed to upload it to your desired platforms such as YouTube or other podcast hosting services. Log into your YouTube channel and navigate to the Upload section. Select exported video or audio file of your podcast and upload it to your YouTube channel. Add a compelling title, description tags, and thumbnail to optimize its visibility and engagement. And there you have it. You've successfully created a podcast for YouTube using Podcast. Enjoy sharing your valuable content with your audience and building your presence in the podcasting world. If you find this video help you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We are going to keep doing all kind of AI tools tutorial for people like you who like to explore about AI stuffs. Thank you for joining us, and I will see you on the next video.